Usembut mitirang ba kajala wa Prestone ten song ulapan pau ba kaseng hinyo trap National Liberation Council kadai ban sange lut ya baro kikam dak ba pyndonkam de kilta head jong kaseng namar ba kadang don hapdeng ke jong jingïakren yesuk bat ka sarkar bat kadai ban penlit jumut bha haswa ban stang biang kawat ka ba jong ke jingïakren yesuk kani kelawan hadian bala pau perthei ka wei ka sithi dawa ha ka kerteng jong ka HNLC bat nakaliang ba Prestone ulai thu bat nakaliang jong kaseng kalami syakmat ban kantai mardor halor ka te ka sithi dawa pisa bat nakaliang jong kipulit kajala kidang penlong ya jing toket ban lap ikwa pyndonkam bakla ya kate kaletahan jong kaseng.
In fact, before the formal talks happened, I had also personally met those leaders from HNLC, and then we already discussed about all these issues. Because see, nowadays it's so easy even to issue a duplicate letterhead, and I think just few months back it happens where some people they even receive the demand note. I discussed with them. I said you need to also be serious. You need to also take action in case if anybody uses your letterhead even without the consent of the leaders from the HNLC, and they agreed to do that. And I'm telling you, recently also some of the members, they came out openly that no, it is not the HNLC who issued the demand. Well, we see, as I said to you again, from the government side, the police are on a job to find out who are the culprits, what is their intention. Is it to derail the peace talk between the government of India, state government and the HNLC or not? But I'm telling you, I'm so happy till this moment that I'm talking to you. HNLC also are serious about the talk, the peace talk that has just happened. One meeting. Then again, from now on, we will have more meetings. And I'm very sure, very soon, we'll be able to resolve and to reach to FNI. I personally feel like this. If you talk about donation, when you talk about donation, I don't know on what basis. If you issue letter, I think that is not fair. Maybe you only meet through friends. This that okay. Whoever wanted to give donation, that's an issue. But as I said to you, now since the peace talk started, I personally feel everything should stop. Let us stop. And then because from both the government, central and state government, we are serious. We wanted to complete the talk at the earliest possible. And now the ball is in their court. We would like to request once again the HNLC leaders to be more serious, walk out, and we are waiting from them also. Saw a few issues where they wanted to, put forward in the next talk. So that also we are open to it, and then I think I'm very sure they are also serious about it. Can you tell me, do you have any kind of operation? Where was that operation? Let me just tell you one thing. I have not seen even a single operation made. The time when we started reaching to an agreement for peace talk, no such operation has happened. And therefore, I've seen the sincerity from the HNLC leaders, where they did not accept that fake, so-called fake demand note sent, I don't know by who, but still the police is on the job to find out about the fact of this fake demand note distributed, circulated to few section of people.
Shimye ka kabu sya ka lawe ka bakwat bakya da ka bapiwan man pa pet batsya sumar haka the Shillong Heart Clinic ka badan Hanongram Hills Shillong pila ban phone ne pa message ban bu por yakindo ba Dr. Sinrang Batngan Wadri u Dr. bala pentebet haka ban sumar jingpang klong snam ka clinic ka play man ka sngi light no haka sngi ublay na do ka khatway baje min step hado and re baje janmet